When you look at China, there's a lot of lessons that we can learn in the African continent, and I believe that China can contribute to empowerment of the African continent and also the global economy through production of major commodities that are being consumed or that are required in the African continent, and also when you look at the global market. The China International Import Expo is one of the most vital events that will help to improve the production capacities in the African continent, primarily because when you look at Africa, we consider agriculture as one of our major export earner, and we look at the China International Import Exhibition as a platform that will be able to provide reciprocal trade because China exports a lot of commodities to the African continent, and we see that through this exhibition and through this such kind of events, we believe that China is providing Africans with a platform that they would go and market their products and also find market access for their agricultural produce and also the resources that come from Kenya and other African countries. So I believe that this is an initiative that China is implementing to improve reciprocal trade.